Hello and welcome to Cocktail Zindagi. Today I'm here, you can see I'm here with an apron. So I'm here in the kitchen and with one beautiful recipe for the kids. Kids are fussy about beetroots and I'm going to make them gel to the beetroots. How? I'm going to make chutney from this beetroot which the kids will love. They can eat their junk with the beetroot. So this beetroot will be divine for them after the chutney. So let's see the recipe. We'll take beetroots and pressure cook them. So there it goes. Pressure cook for 4 or 5 whistles. Almost 13 to 14 minutes. These are boiled. And we are going to peel these now. Okay, now in the jar I'm going to chop these and put the pieces here. Let's see how to do it. Just chop them. Okay, chopped. Put it here. Hands all red. Walnuts. Garlic, around 14 pods. 1 green chili. If you eat more, then you can put more. But my son doesn't eat that much, so I'll put only 1, maybe a half of it. And 16 pods of garlic. And then another thing that I'll be using is apple cider vinegar. You can use synthetic vinegar also, but it doesn't suit me, so I'm going to take apple cider vinegar. If you're allergic to vinegar at all, then you can substitute it with lemon, fresh lemon. And another thing that I'll be using will be olive oil. You can substitute it with any other oil. Then goes in the walnuts. There goes the chili. Okay, salt to taste, and then apple cider vinegar, the lid of it, and then olive oil, 1 lid. Okay. Now this will be blending. Now after blending, we'll just add some amount of olive oil so that the chutney has a good texture and is preserved for a week. So this is the chutney. You can preserve it for 1 week because I put the oils. The oil will keep it fresh, so we can relish our delicacies with this chutney. Drop in your comments if you want to see something more, and I'll do that for sure. So keep watching Cocktail Zindagi and show me some love. Thank you.